911, Operator Davis, what's the location of your emergency? 911, where's your emergency?
Hold on, I'm pulling up the address right now. Yes.
What apartment number? Your first name? Just the first is fine. And a good phone number? Tell me exactly what happened.
My cousin slit her wrist.
Was this an attempt?
Yeah.
Is she currently in a violent mode?
Yes.
What'd she cut herself with?
Glass.
Glass. Okay. Okay. She sounds like she's completely alert in the background. Is that true?
Yeah.
Okay. And it's on her wrist. Is there a lot of blood? Like an uncontrollable amount?
I haven't looked.
Okay. Gotcha. We're almost done. Alrighty, I'm sending the paramedics to help her now. Stay on the line for a second and I'll tell you exactly what to do next. Firstly, do not allow her to have anything to eat or drink. It might make her sick or cause further problems. Just let her rest in the most comfortable position, which sounds like it's going to be impossible, and I understand that. She sounds very wound up. Try to avoid contact with her, and if she leaves or passes out or something, give us a call back and let us know. But otherwise, like I said, don't let her have anything to eat or drink, and if she begins to become less awake and she starts to vomit, make sure you guys lay her on her side. Now, do you guys have any, like, cats or dogs or anything in the house?
Yes, a dog.
Okay. We're going to want to have that dog put up just so that they're not underfoot or anything when police and EMS arrive, because for these kind of events, police do come as well. Is she currently taking any medications?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Just, is the front door, well, it's an apartment, I gotcha. And is this a secure building? Do they need a code to get in?
This is a secure building.
Okay. Do they just...
no, it's not.
No, okay. All right. EMS is on their way, and it looks like the police are not far behind them, okay?
Okay.
All righty. Bye-bye.
Something changed? Can you repeat that?
Has something changed?
Yes. My cousin has drinking cleaning products to try to kill herself. And she slit her wrist. And she's drinking cleaning products. And she's locked herself in the bathroom.
Do you know if she's awake?
She's awake, but we don't know for how long.
Apartment 7. Hey, did you call? Does she still have glass? Does she still have the glass? Okay. Well, where's she located? All right.
Oh, this person in the house by herself.
Can you please get her out of bed? I cannot break the fucking door down.
We're gonna figure it out, okay?
She slit her wrist
25
both
Charlie, was
wrists.
that for my run?
I broke down the bedroom door. I tried to kick in the bathroom door. When I broke down the fucking door, she had both. You can look on the mattress how much
Was
blood
he asking
there
that
is.
question about my run?
And she's drinking.
He was asking if she was there by herself.
It's a negative. We have 2 other people here.
Do something.
Is she talking at least?
Please. There's glass everywhere. door apart the whole fucking room.
And she's in your bathroom.
Okay, well, y'all back out of here. I'm gonna try to talk to her, okay? What's her name?
I'm not Katelyn Hall. My soul. Leave this fucking bathroom.
Katelyn? Hey, Katelyn, what's going on?
Katelyn is dead.
No, she's not. She's alive. She's talking. What's going on with you? Can you talk to me? You got people out here worried about you.
Katelyn is dead. Leave her.
Why are you saying she's dead? It sounds like she's talking right now.
Katelyn is dead. She's gone.
Why are you saying all that?
If her artery is still fucking beating, the devil has fucking proceeded. Where is fucking devil in this?
321 Charlie Drive, something about.
Katelyn is gone. Katelyn
Hey,
is
25
gone.
Charlie, do we have any cars with any non-lethal options available?
Katelyn is gone.
Yeah, how many more cars do you need?
You can save the body, but the
Go ahead and
soul
send me
has
anyone
been
who's
fucking
available.
submitted to the devil.
Ready at 825 Acre?
Let me die. I'm begging you, please. Just let me.
Hey, 25 Charlie, she's extremely agitated, saying things like, Katelyn is dead, let me die. So we're gonna need some less lethal options here, probably.
I've already said my goodbyes to my mother. It's over.
I'm Charlie Hamilton.
It's over. It is over.
Ready at 825 Acre, 824 Charlie.
It is finally over. It's finally over. Thank you, Jesus. It's over.
Have you both go ahead and start for 9814 Vieux Carre Drive, front 7. They have a very detailed female.
Hey, Katelyn, do you have any glass with you right now?
Yes, she has glass paper.
I understand that. Let me talk to her, okay?
Let my body rest. Please. Forever, just let my body rest.
I don't want you to hurt yourself anymore.
I already have 3 Acre going.
Katelyn's gone.
How can I help you right now, Katelyn?
Gone.
She's not gone. She's talking to me.
Gone. Please let me go to rest.
Hey, I got other officers coming. Can one of you go outside to lead them in?
Yes, sir. Let me go to rest. Please. I don't want to survive this. Please let my soul fucking go to Jesus. I beg you, let me go to Jesus.
Well, I want... Well, Officer Baker, that's me. I want you to live.
Stop making it hard.
Can you tell me why you're...
God.
Can you tell me why you're doing this? Your friends are worried about you. Did something happen today?
I'm gone.
What happened today?
I'm gone. I'm gone. I love you, but I'm gone.
They're really worried about you.
My soul is finally at rest. I'm finally at peace. I'm finally at peace. I'm finally at peace. I'm finally at peace. My soul can rest. Thank you, Jesus.
825 Charlie, do you have a ETA for EMS?
Sure there. I'm sure I'm on scene.
I will defend this fucking bathroom with my life. I'm dying.
They're here.
It's over.
She's in the bathroom. She's Katelyn. She's saying it's over.
Over.
I'm pretty sure she's probably already cut herself. I haven't tried approaching this door yet because y'all weren't here.
Okay. Hey, Katelyn.
Is there a light in here?
Is there a light here? You have a light here. Hey, Katelyn.
Well, don't go. Okay, all right.
move all the stuff out of there.
Would y'all mind staying out in the hallway? Give us a little space.
Hey, Katelyn.
We're gonna see if we can open it first.
Katelyn. We're here to help you, all right? What's going on today? Katelyn, how can we help you today? What's going on?
Who's talking to me?
Officer Greenway with Metro Police. We're here to help you. Try to figure out what's going on. We want to help you, all right?
It's over!
All
Tell
right.
my sisters and my cousin it's over!
Is it locked?
Yeah, it's locked. Okay. Katelyn.
Can you unlock the door, sweetheart?
No! It's done!
We just want to talk to you, okay?
I think we need to force that door.
If she's
Yeah.
got her wrist.
Yeah.
Y'all got it. Okay, we're going to have get ready to go in.
Yeah.
All right.
I'll be hands. Can you have less lethal out? And can you be lethal?
Just let Dirk go first, man.
Please,
Go hands on.
Dear, we're gonna open the door, okay? Get back from the door.
I'm over.
Are you pressing against the door right now? Once you pop that lock, they can get in. What's that?
Just bump the lock.
Yeah, once you. You're saying go for it. Yeah, once they get it, then they go in. I think she's got it.
Go hands on first.
What? I think she's swinging in there. Got it. I can't tell if I'm through the lock or not. I think she's pushing against it. Just give me one dog kick. Yeah, you're through.
All right.
Katelyn.
Over!
I need you to get away from the door.
Yeah, go ahead and pick it up. Katelyn. She's sitting in front of it. Katelyn.
It's over! It's finally fucking over! It's over!
What's that?
We're trying to make entry into his bathroom.
She's sitting right here. I don't want to kick because
You can open this and put that in the way so it doesn't keep shutting on you.
how's this thing?
I mean, you could use
Like a crowbar.
Oh, go ahead and have you respond until we can go. 9814.
He's breaking more glass.
My artery is cut! Let my family die in peace! My artery has been severed!
I can see
I
her.
can see her from right
Yeah. Hey, we need you to move away from the door. We're just trying to help you. Back up. Hey, listen. We're trying to help you.
Listen, calm down.
I will kill anyone who tries to save me! My soul has been died! It's over! It's over! It's over!
We need to sit back. Wait till the cars get here. This is about to turn into something else. The door's unlocked. Wait till the cars get here. Hey, 27 Ray. Where's our car? This is Katelyn. How close are the other cars?
Let my sister and my cousin die in peace!
Okay, that's 5 Baker, 3 Baker, 820, and you can even have like an ECS.
Let's get some more cars here first.
Yeah.
God!
It's glass.
Glass from the toilet.
It sounds like she just broke something to get a bigger piece.
The
door just come down.
Yeah.
You know, we may
She's at.
be able to force that inside. You want me to pop those hinges?
Oh, pop the hinges. Yeah. Yeah, you want to pop the hinges. Watch yourself. She's sitting against the door. Watch yourself. Let him get space.
Yeah. God damn it. There's too much shit in the way. Glass.
My body has been so twisted.
Alright, that's good. That's good.
All right, hey, whoa, hey. Hands in the air.
One nigga, shots fired.
Hey, get the glass away.
What does she got, a knife or something?
My body has been so twisted.
Alright, that's good.
Hey, whoa, hey. Hands in the air.
One nigga, shots fired.